How to customize checklists. Available only to admins and super users. Click Configurations and Checklist Templates to manage your checklists. RPAS Wilco provides 2 default checklists, one in English and in French. Click Edit to modify a checklist. Here, you can view all the sections in the checklist. To create a new section, click Add a section. Edit the section name. Click the plus to add a new item. Name the item and provide a description detailing the procedure. Complete this item with a checkbox or verbally. Use the arrows to move sections or items up or down. Certain items and sections are locked, as they are reserved for triggering actions. Click Restore Default to reset the checklist to its original version. When you're done with editing a checklist, click Save. To create a new checklist, click the Edit icon. Name your checklist and select the language. Create your custom checklist by adding new sections and items. That's all.